Opportunity cost is a concept that often flies under the radar in everyday decision-making, yet it plays a crucial role in how we allocate our resources, time, and energy. At its core, opportunity cost represents the value of the next best alternative that we forego when making a choice. It's a fundamental principle in economics that reminds us that every decision we make comes with trade-offs. Whether you're deciding to spend your Saturday working extra hours or enjoying a day at the beach, understanding opportunity cost helps illuminate what you're really giving up. Let's consider a simple example to illustrate this concept. Imagine you have a Saturday free and two options. You can either work a part-time job that pays $100 for the day or go on a day trip with friends that costs you $50. If you choose to work, the opportunity cost is not just the $50 you spent on the trip, but also the experiences, memories, and enjoyment you miss out on with your friends. Conversely, if you opt for the trip, your opportunity cost is the $100 you could have earned. This highlights the importance of weighing not just the monetary aspects but also the qualitative factors involved in our choices. Opportunity cost extends beyond mere financial considerations. It encompasses time, resources, and personal satisfaction. Every time we make a decision, we are implicitly measuring the value of what we are giving up against the benefits of what we are choosing. For instance, if you decide to pursue a higher education degree, the opportunity cost includes not only the tuition fees and the time spent studying, but also the income you forego by not working full-time during those years. Understanding these trade-offs allows individuals to make more informed choices that align with their long-term goals and values. In the realm of business, opportunity cost is equally significant. Companies constantly face decisions about resource allocation, whether it's investing in new technology, launching a marketing campaign, or hiring additional staff. Each option presents potential benefits, but also the opportunity costs associated with not pursuing the alternatives. For example, a tech startup might have a limited budget and must decide whether to invest in product development or marketing. If they choose product development, the opportunity cost could be the customer base they miss out on by not promoting their product effectively. Recognizing these trade-offs is essential for businesses to maximize their potential and navigate competitive markets. The concept of opportunity cost also plays a vital role in public policy. Governments often have to make tough decisions about how to allocate limited resources. For instance, when deciding whether to invest in healthcare or education, policymakers must consider the opportunity costs associated with each choice. If funds are directed toward healthcare, the opportunity cost might be the improvements in educational infrastructure that could have been achieved. Understanding these trade-offs helps policymakers prioritize initiatives that yield the greatest overall benefit for society. Moreover, opportunity cost is not always straightforward. In some cases, the next best alternative may not be immediately apparent, leading individuals and businesses to overlook significant costs associated with their decisions. This is where critical thinking and careful analysis come into play. By taking the time to evaluate all possible alternatives, individuals can better understand the true cost of their choices and make decisions that align with their priorities. It's also important to recognize that opportunity costs can change over time. As circumstances evolve, the value of alternatives may shift, leading to different assessments of what is being sacrificed. For example, a young professional may initially prioritize career advancement over personal relationships, viewing the opportunity cost of time spent socializing as negligible. However, as they grow older and their priorities change, they may begin to see the value of nurturing friendships and family connections, re-evaluating the opportunity costs associated with their earlier choices. In our fast-paced world, where choices abound, being mindful of opportunity cost can lead to more intentional decision-making. It encourages us to pause and reflect on what we truly value and what we are willing to sacrifice for our goals. This mindfulness can help us avoid the pitfalls of impulsive decisions driven by immediate gratification, allowing us to focus on long-term fulfillment. Furthermore, opportunity cost can also be a powerful tool for personal growth. By understanding what we are giving up, we can better align our actions with our values and aspirations. For instance, if someone is considering a career change, recognizing the opportunity costs associated with staying in a comfortable but unfulfilling job versus pursuing a passion can provide clarity. This awareness empowers individuals to take calculated risks that may lead to greater satisfaction and fulfillment in the long run. In conclusion, opportunity cost is a fundamental concept that permeates our everyday lives, influencing our decisions in ways we may not always recognize. By understanding what we are truly giving up when making choices, we can make more informed decisions that align with our values and goals. Whether in personal life, business, or public policy, being mindful of opportunity cost allows us to navigate the complexities of decision-making with greater awareness and purpose. As we continue to face choices in an ever-changing world, embracing the principle of opportunity cost can lead us to make choices that not only benefit us in the short term but also contribute to our long-term happiness and success.